Yes, my dear student. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am also absolutely fine. This video is related to CFS and financial reporting paper. With this video, I just want to give you a comprehensive question related to consolidation chapter, which will comprise of almost all the adjustment, leaving one concept, chain holding. For chain holding, I will create a new question. Don't worry about that. Miss, can I say apart from chain holding, all the adjustment can be revised from this particular question. But objective is something else. I have created this question, but I will not give you solution right now. I'll give you 2 days time. You need to solve this particular question by your own. And can I say if you can solve this question by your own without any mistake, can I say you are ready for the examination for this particular question, for this type of questions? And if you are doing mistake, nothing to worry. Can I say you can identify the area in which adjustment you are doing mistake? And if you have identified that, can I say that adjustment can be revised again? The objective is very clear because nowadays you know ICA is asking new question of consolidation chapter with new adjustment. So I just want to make you comfortable in this particular chapter because this question in exam will be a mandatory question, and mandatory question is very important. The idea is very clear that I will give you a question, you need to solve it, but nothing to worry. Can I say if you solve this question correctly, so there is a reward for you from my side, and if you give me correct answer, I'll give you a chocolate for the correct answer. But you need to solve this question by your own without taking any help, of any faculty. This question is only for CA final student who are writing the exam in May 2025 or any onward attempt. Got this point? You are supposed to solve this question by your own without taking any help of any of your friends. That much, can I say, transparency should be there. I will solve this question but in some other video so that you can understand where you are doing mistake. Yes sir, correct. You can download the question from my Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this particular video. So download the question, solve it by your own. What I will do, I will explain the question I will explain the entire question so that you can understand all the adjustment. That much I will do. But if you think that you need to understand the entire question by your own, so you are not supposed to listen the explanation part, do it by your own. Do it by your own, I will say. Yes sir, yes sir. Now, coming to one more point, suppose you have not done the revision of consolidation chapter, I will say, first revise the consolidation chapter and then solve this particular solution. So don't become, I will say, overconfident. Don't become overconfident because this is this is one type of challenge I am giving to you. You need to accept it. So I am giving you 2 days. In these 2 days, can I say you can completely revise the entire chapter? You can completely revise the entire chapter. From where you will do the revision? Can I say if you want to revise from my revision video, recently I have uploaded a revision video for consolidation chapter explaining all the adjustment. You can revise from there. The link of that particular video will be also given in the description of this particular video. Yes, so to revise first the entire chapter, then solve it. This much I want. I will say first revise, then solve it. And if you have already revised it, you can start solving the entire question by your own. I hope you like the idea. Now I will do the explanation part, but before I explain, I hope you have liked this idea, and if you have liked this idea, don't forget to like this video and share this video with all your friends so that all your friends can also solve this particular question by their own. Because this is a question for all the students, and believe me, this question will help you. Believe me, this question will help you. So you need to share this entire video. You need to share this video to all your friends. Let's see how many of you are giving the correct answer. Now, sir, how you will give me the answer? You need to write down the answer in the comment box. You need to answer only 3 points. What is the value of goodwill on consolidation date? What is the value of NCI on consolidation date? And what is the total of consolidated balance sheet? If these 3 are correct, it means you have done 100% correct. So I repeat, you need to answer 3 points. What is the value of goodwill on consolidation date, not on the date of acquisition? Second, what is the value of NCI on consolidation date? And the last, what is the total of consolidated balance sheet? These three answers I want from your side. Solve it. Write down the answer in the comment box, and then if the answer is correct, you will be rewarded with a chocolate from my side. Are you ready for this challenge? Yes, sir. If you are ready for this challenge, give a thumbs up in the comment box, and I want answer from you. And I'll be coming with some more questions. For example, chain holding. One more question is pending from my side. I will make a separate video. Second, I will create one question with subsidiary and associate also, with all the adjustment. Believe me, this particular type of question will help you to revise the entire chapter, and you will become confident in this particular chapter. Correct? I hope you have liked this idea. Just comment in the comment box whether it will help you or not, this particular idea will help you or not. Because just try to understand, when you like the video, when you give comment, it will appreciate us to put more effort from your examination point of view. So your one like will bring a smile on our face. Got this point? Yes, sir. Coming to the question. Now, if you want to understand the entire question with my help, so you can listen this video now. Otherwise, you can stop it. You can read the entire question by your own. Got this point? Yes, sir. So this question actually I have taken from one of the exam only. This is one examination question which I have modified. The numbers has been modified, and there are some more adjustment which has been added. Okay? Yes. Now, the extract of balance sheet of Hamel Limited and its subsidiary Silk Limited as on 31st March 2023 is given below. Okay? You can see asset, non-current asset is given, current asset is given. In non-current asset, we have investment. Investment means, of course, it will be a part of PC, means in this PC will be included. Then equity and liability, equity is given, non-current liability is given, current liability is given. Now, in the notes, what is given? PP. Under PP, you can see there are two PP, plant and machinery and land and building. Intangible asset, goodwill we have. So you can see in the question they have given goodwill of subsidiary company. Be careful about this particular point. Okay. Other equity, general reserve, return earning and borrowing, they have given 8% debenture of ₹100 each. Okay, sir. Now, additional information. Hamel Limited acquired 20,000 equity shares of Silk Limited on 1st April 2022 at a cost of ₹2,40,000 and further acquired 17,500 equity shares as on 1st October 2022 at a cost of ₹4,37,500. Of course, it is a question of step acquisition, and you can see the date of acquisition is 1st October 2022. The 8% debentures Silk Limited include debentures held by Hamel Limited of a nominal value of 35,000. These were acquired by Hamel Limited on 1st Jan 2022 at a cost of ₹84,000. It means the investment will include investment equity shares as well as investment debenture. Now, whatever investment debenture they have done, Hamel Limited has done for the debentures of Silk Limited, that will be considered as intercompany balance and will be cancelled. A hint I have given. Okay. The retained earning of Silk Limited has a credit balance of 75,000 on 1st April 2022. On that day, the balance of general reserve is given 50,000. Okay, sir. There was an abnormal loss on 1/5/2022 for Silk Limited of ₹10,000. Insurance claim received is 4,000. It means the net loss is 6,000. This is a new point I have added. This is a new adjustment I have added. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Silk Limited had paid dividend at a rate of 10% on its paid up equity share capital out of the balance of retained earning on 1st April 2022 for the financial year 2021-22 on 30th June 2022. So it means final dividend of previous year has been paid in current year. Got this point? Silk Limited has also paid interim dividend at a rate of 5% on its paid up equity share capital for the financial year 2020-23 means current year on 30th October 2022. So interim dividend paid. This is also a new adjustment I have added. Interim dividend treatment is similar to final dividend paid. So if you know final dividend paid, interim dividend paid also same treatment. Okay, sir, but new adjustment I have added. The entire dividend received by Hamel Limited was created in SOPL, means it has been correctly recorded by Hamel Limited. Both the company has declared final dividend at a rate of 15% on its paid up equity share capital for the financial year 2022-23 on 31st March 2023. No journal entry is recorded by any company. So you can see it was declared on 31st March. If it is not yet declared, means declared after balance sheet date, then no adjustment required. But in this given question, it is given declared on 31st March, means declared but not paid, so it will be dividend payable. A new adjustment I have added. So this is the final dividend of current year, declared but not yet paid. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Correct. So be careful about this particular adjustment. Then they have given, as per resolution dated 20th Feb 2023, SEC Limited had allotted bonus shares at a rate of 1 equity shares for every 10 shares held out of its general reserve. And if nothing is given, it means journal entry has been recorded. Whatever last two examinations they have given about bonus share, in that journal entry was not done for the bonus share by subsidiary company. Whenever journal entry is not done, then you can ignore the entire adjustment for consolidation purpose. But if journal entry has been done, then some adjustment required. To be careful, this is also modified by me. Trade receivable of Hammer Limited include BR of 2 lakh drawn upon SEC Limited. Out of this, 50,000 have been discounted with the bank. So whatever has been discounted cannot be cancelled, means we can cancel only to the extent of bill which remain undiscounted. Okay, sir. During the financial year 2023, Hammer Limited purchased goods from SEC Limited of rupees 25,000 at a sales price of 30,000. 40% of these goods remain unsold on 31st March 2023. So this is a upstream transaction, means goods is sold by parent company, goods is sold by subsidiary company to parent company. Correct? So it will affect analysis of profit. Be careful about this. During the financial year 2023, SEC Limited purchased from Hammer Limited goods worth rupees 50,000, on which H Limited made a profit of 20% of sales. 25% of such goods are lying unsold. So this become goods sold by parent company to subsidiary company, means downstream transaction. So in one question I have given upstream as well as downstream. So upstream will be adjusted in AOP, but downstream transaction will be adjusted in consolidated return earning. Be careful. This point I have added in this question. Fair value of plant and machinery as on 1st October 2022, means on the date of acquisition, was 4 lakh. The rate of depreciation of plant and machinery is 10%. Whenever the rate of depreciation is given and nothing is given, always assume RBM. If question is silent, always assume RBM. Be careful. These are small hint I am giving so that you do correct. Means I want to give you chocolate. Are you able to understand? So if I am giving you hint, means my intention is to give chocolate and I wanted you to correct. Got this point? Yes, sir. Following are the changes in the fair value as per respective Ind AS from the book value as on 1st October 2022. Make one correction. This is 1st October 2022. 1st October 2022. Okay. Which is to be considered while consolidating the balance. So they have given land and building 2 lakh. Appreciation belong to land. Therefore, no depreciation adjustment. Inventory 30,000. 40% inventory still unsold on balance sheet date. Trade receivable 10,000. Trade receivable are collected on balance sheet date. Trade payable 20,000. Trade payables are also not yet settled. So this is also new point I have given in the question, which was not in the exam question. However, similar point you have done. But can I say overall I have covered all the points. I hope you are able to understand this point. Correct. I think this adjustment will be done in the post acquisition period. To be careful about this particular point. The fair value adjustment have not been reflected in the individual financial statement of SEC Limited. In the consolidated financial statement, the fair value adjustment will be regarded as a temporary difference for the purpose of computing deferred tax. The rate of deferred tax applied to temporary difference is 20%. It means you need to also calculate deferred tax liability or deferred tax asset, but you need to only calculate on the temporary difference due to fair value adjustment. On URP, don't calculate any deferred tax. On unrealized profit, don't calculate any deferred tax. Got this point? Yes, sir. The consolidated goodwill has been impaired by 10%. The impairment loss on goodwill is there. I hope you know about partial goodwill, full goodwill. Everyone knows. Yes, sir. The parent company, that is Hammer Limited, has adopted an accounting policy to measure NCI at fair value quoted market price, applying Ind AS 103. Assume the fair value per equity shares of SEC Limited is 25 rupees on the date when the control of SEC Limited was acquired by Hammer Limited. Means on the date of acquisition, the fair value of equity shares SEC Limited is 25. Given the question, this will be used to measure NCI and also used to measure the fair value of previously held equity interest. Got this point? You are required to prepare consolidated balance sheet as per Ind AS of Hammer Limited and its subsidiary as on 31st March 2023. How is the question? I think almost all the adjustment I have covered. I think now you have understood the question also. You can try it. Okay. So once again I will repeat, you need to give me what I want value of goodwill as on 31st March 2023, value of NCI as on the same date, and the total of consolidated balance sheet. These three point I want in the comment box. If you are giving correct answer, then of course one chocolate from my side. How I will give chocolate, that I will decide. Correct now. Don't worry about the chocolate. I will give you the chocolate. Correct? Okay, sir. I hope you all will accept this challenge, and you have only 2 days. You have only 2 days. Correct? Once I have uploaded, from the time of uploading means you have 48 hours. In that 48 hours, you revise the consolidation chapters and then try to answer this. I will say all try, don't try, answer, solve this particular question, and also jot down the number of minutes you have taken to solve this entire question. Also write down somewhere how much minute you have taken, and also comment in the comment box how much minute you have taken. I hope you have liked this idea. Soon I will be coming with one chain holding question and also one more question about the consolidation with subsidiary and associate. That 2 questions also I will come with some new adjustment. I hope you have understood. Correct? We'll meet in the next video with the solution after 2 days. Till then, bye bye. Love you all. Study hard, and all the best for your preparation. Bye bye. Love you all.